This video will reveal how cats can perceive their owners as mothers and display affection that resembles maternal instincts. When was the last time your cat looked at you like a hero? Have you ever wondered if your cat sees you not just as an owner, but as its mom? Yes, that's right, and it's not as strange as it might seem. Today we will explore 10 surprising signs that may confirm your cat sees you as its mother. These signs might surprise you, or perhaps you've already noticed them before. Let's dive in and discover how cats show love and attachment that closely resemble maternal instincts. The domestication of cats happened a long time ago, and since then, their behavior has evolved significantly. While they still maintain their independence, human companionship has shaped their attachments in remarkable ways. When a cat first entered a home, it was more like a wild animal, relying on humans as a source of food and protection. But over time, cats began to see humans as more than just providers. They started recognizing them as sources of love and care. To a cat, a human is not just an owner but a figure of warmth, affection, and support, just like a mother. Let's explore what exactly cats value in their owners and why they trust us so much. Cats can show affection, protect us, and even get jealous, just like children do. Sign 1. Following you everywhere. Have you noticed how your cat follows your every move? You get up, it follows. You step into the bathroom, it's there. You enter the kitchen, and there it is on the windowsill, curiously observing. Why does this happen? This is a clear sign that your cat sees you as its mother. It wants to be near you because it feels safe when you're around. This is similar to a kitten instinctively staying close to its mother. 2. Cats are highly independent animals, but when they feel threatened or lonely, they seek our company. If your cat is always by your side, it means it not only loves you but also finds protection in you. Sign 2. Affection and kisses. What happens when your cat licks your hand or foot? It's not just a cleaning habit, this is its way of expressing love and gratitude. These are feline kisses because this is how cats show attachment. Mother cats lick their kittens to groom them, and if your cat does this to you, it sees you as more than just a food source. It wants to form a strong bond. Sometimes cats will also rub against your legs or face. This is another way they express love and attachment. They produce a special scent that helps them identify the loved ones. So if your cat rubs against you, know that it considers you part of its family. Sign 3. Sitting on your lap or shoulder. Many cats love to sit on their owner's lap, not just to be close but because it makes them feel safe. When a cat sits on your lap or tries to settle on your shoulder, it's displaying behavior similar to how a kitten clings to its mother's belly or back for security. This also shows that your cat isn't just looking for a warm spot, it wants comfort and reassurance. If it chooses you for this, it means you are its safe space. Sign 4. Showing you its belly. When a cat exposes its belly, it reveals its most vulnerable area. This is a huge sign of trust. Just as kittens trust their mothers and roll over to show their bellies, adult cats do the same to show they feel safe around you. This is not just a random gesture, it symbolizes complete trust. Sign 5. Jealousy. Have you noticed your cat acting strangely when someone else is around? It might start meowing, rubbing against you, or even showing aggression toward the new person. This jealousy stems from the fact that your cat sees you as its mother and doesn't want to share your attention. Jealousy can also be subtle. For instance, your cat may try to grab your attention if you spend too much time with another pet or even another person. Sign 6. Sleeping on you. If your cat loves sleeping on your body, it's another strong sign that it sees you as its mother. Just like kittens, cats seek a cozy and secure place to sleep, and if they choose you, it means they trust you completely. If your cat falls asleep on you, take it as a compliment. It means it feels comfortable and safe in your presence. Sign 7. Purring. When near you. Purring isn't just a sound, it's a form of feline communication. If your cat purrs when it's with you, it's a sign that it feels safe and happy. In the wild, kittens purr to calm their mother or to let her know they're okay. If your cat does this with you, you are its safe haven. Sign 8. Bringing you gifts. Does your cat ever bring you unexpected presents like a toy, a feather, or even a mouse? This isn't just a hunting instinct. In the wild, mother cats bring food to their kittens. If your cat offers you gifts, it might see you as a kitten that needs to be taken care of. This act also symbolizes gratitude and love. It's your cat's way of sharing something special with you. Sign 9. Seeking physical contact. If your cat constantly reaches out for pets or cuddles, it means it craves physical connection. Just like kittens seek comfort from their mothers, cats love the touch of those they trust. Even if your cat isn't always affectionate, persist. Its desire to be close to you is a strong sign of its deep bond. Sign 10. Helping you. Work. Have you ever noticed your cat sitting next to you while you work? Maybe it jumps on your desk, places a paw on your keyboard, or just watches you. This behavior suggests that your cat wants to be involved in what you do. Just like kittens stay close to their mother, your cat sees you as the center of its world and wants to be near you. Now you know that if your cat follows you, purrs, brings you gifts, or seeks physical contact, it sees you as its mother. These signs aren't just cute or amusing, they are instinctive gestures that prove how deep the bond between cats and humans can be. Cats, like humans, are capable of deep attachment that goes beyond simple dependence on food and shelter. We are not just their owners, we are part of their family, their parent figures, their world. Remember, cats aren't just independent creatures as many believe. They can form incredibly strong bonds with their owners and express love in ways that resemble maternal instincts. If your cat displays these signs, you are not just an owner, you are its family, its mother, its everything. Today, we explored 10 incredible signs that may confirm your cat sees you as its mom. Surprising, isn't it? Cats can form emotional connections that are not always obvious at first glance, but they are undoubtedly real. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, share this video with your friends so they too can learn how deeply cats bond with their humans. What other signs do you think show that a cat sees us as its mother? Let us know in the comments. If you have a cat, share your experience. We'd love to read it.